Hello my viewers, hello YouTube, welcome to a new video. I made a previous video about the cordless Sabre saw 20 volt and then it went wrong, it broke down, got stuck and it didn't work anymore and I had to reach out to Lidl shop for a warranty. So they already sent me a new one, which I received within 5 days. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna give this a full new test into wood and metal, and we're gonna take this one apart to take a look inside the machine if we can find out what went wrong. So for the viewers who didn't see the part 1 of this video, I'm showing the box now. It's the PSSAP 2028A1. Comes as a bare unit without the battery, without the charger. Here are some specifications. It's ready to connect with the smart battery, which I'm going to use in this video, 4 amp hour. Brushless motor. And a 5-year warranty. And it should have a longer motor life, but this one already broke down. So we're gonna take a look inside the one that broke down. And after that, we're going to give this one a full new test. So first I'm going to take a look if I can get this done very proper. Well, there's nothing to discover here. It's lubricated well. I tried to spin the motor and it will run free, so it's not stuck. I cannot see anything here on the print. And I checked the wiring, moved the wiring. I cannot really see what went wrong. So I'm gonna screw it back together and send it back to Lidl shop, because I already received a new one which we're gonna test now outside. And of course, never take your tool apart because you might lose the warranty. I don't really care because I just wanted to see the inside if something went wrong. But yeah, you can lose your warranty when you open a tool up. And to be honest, they really taking care of warranty at Lidl shop. They are fast, they reply. You have to wait a few days for their reply, but when they reply, they send you out immediately a new tool. They don't ask any questions. You just got to show them your bill, and they will send you a new one. Just show the receipt, and they send you the new one. And of course, I had this replacement saw within 5 days without any questions, so I'm very happy about that. I paid only 39 euros for this saw. I always buy the special offers, so it's very cheap. So it's all back together now. Put it in the box and send it out back to Lidl shop. So here it is, brand new, with the instruction manual in a multiple language again, as I shown in the previous video. 2 saw blades, new, and a new tool, exactly the same. Let's take it outside for a test. And in this new test, I'm going to use the smart battery. So I connect it to the little home app, and I can see the performance. See what it does. I will show you later in this video. Nice. So here I have the new machine, new test, new saw. And I'm gonna make some cuts. See how the new machine holds up. Maybe the material will come loose because it's not a good workbench. This is plastic and it will shake a little bit, but we will see how far we can come. First I will do a test with a 2 amp hour and a 4 amp hour battery. And of course we're gonna do a test with the metal saw. And take a look at the vibration. So that was the cutting part. Here you see the new machine. This is the old one. What I don't like about the machine is that it broke down, of course, but also it picks up a lot of sawdust. When I opened up the machine, you could see it all inside, and that was after a short use. So I don't know what it's gonna do if you use it for a longer time. I do like the warranty, the 5-year warranty. I applied for warranty when it broke down, and within 5 days I received a new one. So I still have to return this one, but I kept it to make the video. The batteries, I used a 4 amp hour battery in this video and a 2 amp hour battery. And my recommendation is to use a 4 amp hour minimum because it's a lot stronger with the machine. The 2 amp hour is just not strong enough. So I recommend a 4 amp hour or an 8 amp hour battery. The machine vibrates a lot, but I think most of the machines will vibrate a lot. You could see also when I put it on the workbench and turned it on that it vibrates a lot. So these tools are made for all kinds of works, construction sites, breaking down pallets, do fast cuts. As you could see in the video, I had a plastic workbench. I do not recommend that. Just use a solid base. I do not make the videos to promote Parkside tools. I'm trying to show you the tool and you can decide for yourself if you like it or not. I try to be honest about it. So you can take an honest look at the machine if you want to buy it, or if you want to know, or you just want to see the video, I don't know. So I hope you liked the video. I'm gonna return the old one and I'm gonna keep the new one. Please give it a like, subscribe to my channel for future videos, and leave a comment what you think about the tool. I really like some feedback, and if you want to see other videos, just let me know in the comment and I will see what I can do. Thanks for watching now, and I hope to see you in the next video.